Okay, welcome back. We're going to be building a maze right now. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that our cat is the correct size. So we're going to click on looks up on the top. We're going to scroll right down to change size. I'm going to pull that up. And we're going to set the size, and I'm just going to click on my keyboard, you can see right here, to 20% right there. As well, we are going to change where the cat starts. So I want the cat to start, let's say, up in the corner up here. So wherever I click there, it will show me down here the coordinates. So let's click there again, and mine is 214 and 178. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click motion. I'm going to scroll down to here, and we're just going to put those coordinates in. So let's go, so I'm trying to get on, there we go. That white dot there, and 214, oops, I put 0, 214, so sorry, minus 214, and 170, let's try 170. Okay, so once I click the flag, once I click that, it will put the cat in the place where I want him. So I'm just going to move this down, and I'm actually going to use an events and drag the flag in. So that means when I click the flag, it's going to do these two pieces of code. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to pull the maze in. So we're going to click on the little file folder right here. And the maze should be on desktop under Scratch Playground Resources, which is right there. Should be under Chapter 3, which is right there. And we're just going to use Maze 1. So just click Open. And the maze should appear here. Now the maze... here, it's going to kind of appear a little bit off, and you kind of want to grab it and move it to the center of your screen. And we're going to, you can see the maze is a bit small. We're going to pull it this way and this way. And to do that, we're going to click on costumes, and we're going to click on convert to vector way down in the corner here. Once we've done that, it will convert it into a vector file from a bitmap. And if you click it once, you'll notice these little, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, these little white squares will appear. So you want to click on the white square, and you want to pull, you can see, you want to pull that white square to the left, and that's going to extend the size of your maze. Now I did it once there, and it's just sometimes with a touch screen, it's a bit tricky to get it perfect. So there we go. I think I might have pulled it a little bit too far, so let's pull it back. And let's just undo there. So sometimes you make a mistake, you can click undo on the top, and it will undo. There we go, that's back to where I wanted it. So I'm gonna click on it again. I'm gonna grab that little white square. I'm just gonna pull it to the left, and maybe a little bit more right there. And then I'm gonna go down on the bottom here, and I'm gonna drag over to the other side, and I'm gonna click it once, and I'm gonna hold down on that white square. I'm just gonna pull my maze all the way to the right. And you can see on this screen over here, it's pulled it a little bit far. So let's move our entire maze over just a little bit. And this is a bit tricky to get it perfect, but for now, you know, it's pretty good. I've got most of it on there. You can see my cat is up in the corner up there. Now, what we want to do is we're gonna be coding the cat now. So in the next video, let's look at how that works. And just remember, if you make a mistake, you can always click the undo button on the top.